Hi guys, this is Pam with Cosmic Pepperini, and today we're going to talk about holding our crochet yarn as well as putting a slip knot onto the crochet hook, which is the first thing you have to do if you're going to crochet. It's our very first step to crochet, and holding the yarn is by far the hardest part of crochet. It's the hardest part to learn, and there are 100 different ways to do it. So if you go onto the internet and you Google videos for holding crochet yarn, you're going to find a lot of different variations of this. I've never seen a video doing it the way that I do it, so I guess it's just a really individual thing, and you might develop your own style over time. But I'm going to show you the way that I do it because I think it's a lot simpler than some of the techniques I've seen online. But first you need to get a slip knot to actually get the yarn onto your crochet hook to start your chain. And so you're going to do that by, here's the yarn, and I apologize, I am videotaping myself backwards with a laptop in my lap and facing backwards. So I hope that I'm catching all of this on the screen. But you're going to actually just do a little loop of your yarn. You're going to put your crochet hook into that loop, and you're going to grab the part of the yarn that's connected to the skein and pull it through. So you've got a little slip knot. See that? And now you're going to grab the tails, and you can pull the tail that's connected to the skein to pull that tightly. So that's the way you do that. Now you have yarn, on your crochet hook. That's your first step. Now you're ready to go. So you've got your little tail here, and the rest of it obviously is connected to your skein. So now to hold your yarn, so make sure you get a little bit off of the skein there. So to hold your yarn, let me adjust my computer. I like to loop my yarn over my hand like that. Can you see that? Okay. Now put your index finger there. Okay. Now that allows you to kind of work off the top of your index finger using your middle finger for tension. So now, wait a minute, let me get this adjusted. Sorry for the, let's do that again. So around, and then put your index finger over. So the index finger and the middle finger are holding tension. So now you're going to put the hook under to capture that yarn. Kind of grab this with your thumb and pull it through. There we go. You've got a chain. Do it again. Under, holding this with your thumb, pull through. Again, under, pull through. Again, under, pull through. Under, pull through. And see how when I do that, my middle finger kind of lifts up and then goes down to hold that tension. Lifts up, down to hold the tension, up, down to hold the tension. So see, that's how you got it. Up, down to hold the tension. All right. So now you have a chain. Now once you get this step down pat and you get your technique for holding your yarn so that it's comfortable for you, really everything else about crochet is super duper easy. It's also very versatile. So just by changing your hook size, your yarn, just with a few, maybe you only need to learn 5 or 6 more stitches to really do some cool projects. So there you go. There's the chain stitch. I hope that helps you get started. If you have questions, please feel free to email me, pamelahnc@earthlink.net, or just message me on Facebook. And let me know how it goes. I'd like to see a photo of your work. Thanks. Bye.